They had those. No, we had them, and there was like a Noah's Ark set, but that's what the only way our older sister would play is if we did Dallas. So we had to say, okay, I'll get my Matchbox cars, and we'll get, because Beth had all the plastic. They got handed down to each kid, and by that time, I think I was 8.
There you go. That top area is going to look cool.
Yeah.
Here's where I put some extra of the dots. So you might just, take some on the brush and put them where you want. This is, I think this is going to look cool.
It gives it a very granular look. It's awesome.
Extra. Spread that. Spread that out.
Oh, we all jumped at that.
No biggie.
This is beautiful, but I can't help thinking about mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Oh yeah.
It's so good. We can't afford that
That
right now.
31 place still open?
Baskin Robin, right across. Yeah. That place is wasted on me. I always get the same thing. Ooh, that's new. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, what can I get for you? Oh, I
Over in California.
2 scoops chocolate with peanut butter and peanut butter with chocolate, please. Thank you very
Over in
much.
California, by 2 of our different apartments in Huntington Beach, there was a thrifty drugstore. Thrifty drugstores have an ice cream counter.
Used to be a nickel.
Oh, Ed, it's not a nickel anymore. I got bad news for you.
That's where I identify with the 31 flavors, because every time I went to thrifty, it was malted milk
chocolate
crunch,
malted crunch,
and
chocolate malted
something
crunch.
with chocolate and peanut butter.
Did you know that the dollar store, I'm not the dollar store, that's a misnomer. The store that I buy the water from has a full array of thrifty ice cream, and all prepackaged in gallons and half gallons, and 40th Street and Thunderbird, the Water Mart. Free shout out to them. I've been buying their water for years. It's double reverse osmosis +5 to defense and offense. I don't know. It's very good.
That was my high school job.
Yeah.
For 2 summers was scooping ice cream.
I did it too at Swenson's.
In the mall there by the
By
carousel?
the mall? Well, no, it's it's that, what is it, Oregano's now. I think you're thinking of the other...
I was thinking
you're
of
thinking
the place
of that little Dairy Queen right by the carousel. But the Swenson's...
Wasn't there a Swenson there? And
you know what? There was. It was a little kiosk. I stand corrected.
Yeah,
You are correct, sir. Come to think of it, it's like, oh, wait, no, you're right. Because it was like with another company. It was like Swenson's.
They turned it into a Orange Julius. But it was Swenson's.
I was working there the year the Orange Julius in the food court caught fire. I think that was 2008. I think I was at Payless Shoe Source. Payless Shoe Source is a very funny job.
Sir, I owe you a tub of crackle paint, because this one is just...
Yeah.
From what he's saying, it's a thing you can make. Yeah. I don't think it's going to be a problem.
Is that overkill?
Yeah, I think it might be.
Mint chocolate chip.
We'll see.
All right. It's
You
looking
kind of
good.
got down to the bottom, and there was...
That's where all the crinkles are. Yeah. Like this one here that I used to like a lot. It's down to the point of only this part is left, so that when you use it, it's like almost all crackle.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
There's like nothing in there.
They call it jungle gems.
Jungle gems.
Jungle gems.
And they have...
Wow, it's weird that it comes out to be such a kind of a palish green when it starts out rust red like that.
It's gonna look awesome.
Oh yeah.
Better living through chemistry.
Science.
I think the pink that turns dark blue is pretty.
She blinded me with science. Okay. All right. Thanks, Ed.
Here, let me wash them out in some.
All right.
Oh.